Welcome back to the Daily Interlakes Local Events Podcast. This week, brush up on your photography skills, learn to craft jewelry, visit Kalispell's museums, channel your inner golden retriever, or brawl with the ladies of roller derby. Northwest Montana is up to her old tricks again, offering some great activities to get you out and about. Now, let's find your next best time. The September edition of Press Play, the Daily Interlakes Lunch Concert Series, has been rescheduled to Friday, September 13th. This month, we host the cinematic folk duo Big Sky City Lights for an intimate performance at your favorite local newspaper. Stop by flatheadtickets.com and reserve your seat for this unique performance. And if you haven't already, check out dailyinterlake.com or our YouTube channel for an interview with the band. Wander the woods, camera in hand, on Tuesday, September 10th at 9 a.m. for a photography on the trail workshop hosted by the Whitefish Legacy Partners. Register for this free event and join local photographer Kristen Binder to learn tips for taking better pictures of your outdoor adventures. Any camera or smartphone will do. This 1 to 2 mile hike begins at the Lion Mountain trailhead of the Whitefish Trail in Whitefish. Waters Edge Winery and Bistro in Kalispell hosts a ring making class on Tuesday, September 10th at 5:30 p.m. Cindy Hartley leads the group through making stacker rings. Release your inner artist in this class appropriate for all abilities. Registration required. Thursdays in September, join the Conrad Mansion in Kalispell for their annual fairy walks. Look for fairies and fairy houses and the Conrad Gardens during this free and family-friendly event. No reservations required. Fairy walks are 5 to 7 p.m. The Glacier 2 Medicine Alliance hosts their 15th annual fall gathering, the weekend of September 13th to 15th. Celebrate adventure and learning about the lands, water, and wildlife of the Badger 2 Medicine and Glacier National Park. The weekend is full of educational presentations, live music, organized hikes, good food, and fun. Hear the music of John Floridis and learn from wildlife biologists. For more information, visit the link in the description. Golden Rovers Unite! September 14th is the 5th annual Goldenstock event from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Hay Moon Resort in Whitefish. Meet other Golden Retriever parents and support Montana Precious Gold Golden Retriever Rescue of Montana. Cuteness abounds. The Wachholtz College Center presents Festival of Flavors Homecoming in the Outdoor Amphitheater for an all-ages event on Friday, September 13th from 6 to 9 p.m. Live music from local favorite Archertown, plus a rare public opportunity to nosh on food from Kentucky Derby famed 406 Barbecue. All proceeds benefit student scholarships at Flathead Valley Community College. Support the Kalispell Veterans Food Pantry at Automotive Swap Meet and Car Show on Saturday, September 14th at the Majestic Valley Arena in Kalispell. Hosted by the Glacier Street Rod Association, bring $1 or a can of food for entry. Street Rodders travel from all over the Pacific Northwest to join this cool event. It's a great day when the Kalispell Museums team up for their Locals Day on Saturday, September 14th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Buy a passport and gain entry to the Northwest Montana History Museum, the Hockaday Museum of Art, and the Conrad Mansion to tour all 3 unique cultural institutions. You are sure to come away inspired and knowing your town a little better. It's a roller derby brawl on Saturday, September 14th at the Flathead County Fairgrounds from 4 to 9 p.m. It's a doubleheader where feature skaters from across the state and beyond battle it out in a fun, friendly mixer. The main bout has the Misfits brawling the Copper City Queens from Butte, America. Come for the fun and to learn more about their fall training camp. Sunday, September 15th, see local legend Rob Quist and his film debut for the screening of Out to Pasture at the Whitefish Performing Arts Center. The film tells the tale of a hitman on the run in small-town Montana after his last job goes south. Keir Atherton, Rob Quist, Anne-Marie Jones, Mikey Wynn, and Mike Eldred round out this all-star local cast. Tickets are on sale at the door for the 7:30 p.m. performance. Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Interlakes Local Events Podcast. I'm your host, Melissa Wells, reminding you that the more you do, the more you do. Stop by dailyinterlake.com/events to see all this week's happenings and add your own. See you out there. Thanks to our sponsor, Lauren's Auto Repair, at 1309 US Highway 2 in Kalispell. Most consistently rated 5-star shop serving the Kalispell area. Visit laurensauto.com.